This isn't just another AI video tool, it's a platform where you build your own 3D avatar, edit every detail, and generate content that actually looks and sounds like professional. Whether you're a creator, a marketer, or an educator, if you need videos that scale across platforms, languages, or styles, this is where it starts. You can create these types of 3D avatar videos using Rendora AI.
And vivid facial expressions. Hello everyone, welcome to Rendora, the world's #1 text-to-3D video platform.
First, click on Get Started, and you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can begin with 3D avatars. By clicking on More, you'll find over 3,000 ready-made characters that you can choose from. If you go back, you'll also see the option to start with a template. Rendora offers every kind of template you might need, such as a how-to guide, a doctor template, or a news-style layout. In this video, we'll try two methods. The first method allows you to simply enter your script, and the AI will handle everything for you, from choosing the avatar in Studio to generating different scenes. The second method involves customizing your own avatar from scratch, giving you full control over appearance and style. Now, let's go through the first method. On the dashboard, you'll see a section titled Generate Videos in 3 Steps. Click on AI Create Videos. On the left panel, you'll see 3 options: Start from Template, Start with AI Script, and Start with PPT. Let's choose Start with Script. All you have to do is enter your script into the text box and then click Start with AI. Rendora will automatically select a suitable avatar, a virtual studio, and it will even create multiple scenes for your video. While everything can be customized later, we'll cover that in the second method. For now, just hit Generate. The process might take a little time. Once it's ready, you'll be taken to the video editor where you can change scenes, adjust the camera angle, and make any final tweaks. When you're done, hit Export, and your video will be ready. Here's the result.
Welcome to my video. My name is Barry, and today I am giving you a tutorial about the world's best AI avatar generator tool called Rendora AI. Let's dive into how this amazing tool can help you create stunning avatars efficiently and effortlessly.
Now let's move on to building your own avatar. Click on More, and you'll find over 3,000 avatars to choose from. Select any avatar you like. You'll have the option to change it right away, but just below that, you'll also see a button labeled Edit. Click on that to enter the detailed avatar customization area, and this is where the real magic begins. You can rotate and view your character from any angle, which helps while customizing. On the left-hand menu, the first section is the Outfit section. You can choose any outfit you want for your avatar. Next, we have the hairstyle option. You'll find dozens of hairstyles, and on the right-hand side, you can even change the hair color of your avatar. After that comes the accessories section, where you can add items like glasses and more. The fourth section is makeup, which basically lets you change the skin color of your avatar. Finally, we have the face section. In this part, you can customize each part of the face. First, select the face shape. Then move on to eyebrows, where additional customization is available on the right. After that, choose the eyes, with further customization on the right panel. You can then adjust the nose. Although more options for this are coming soon, you can still make detailed changes using the current tools. Personally, I prefer a slim nose. After that, you can fine-tune the mouth. And lastly, you can adjust the ears of your avatar. Once everything looks perfect, click Save. Your customized avatar will be saved under My Avatars. Now go back to the main editor. Here, you also have the option to change the studio, but I personally like the one already selected. At the bottom of the screen, enter your script. Rendora also offers an AI tool to enhance your script if needed. You can choose from a variety of voice options, but I would recommend not changing the voice, because the AI automatically selects the best voice that fits your avatar. However, you should change the action style based on your content type. choose prompter for ads, and speaker for YouTube videos. Once that's done, hit generate. After the video is ready, simply export it. Here's the final result.
My name is Berry, and I'm going to show you the best AI 3D avatar generator tool, which is Rendora AI. Please subscribe to my channel.
Your avatar can do that too, because with Rendora, you don't just generate a video. You generate your voice, your face, your style for every task.